It relies on several individual genetic factors to be born with a powerful commanding jawline. In this video, we are giving you the best ways to get the perfectly chiseled jawline. Where some people are blessed with a perfect jawlines naturally, a lack of regular exercise or reliance on junk foods and sedentary lifestyle can create a wider jawline. So here is what you need to do to get this kind of chiseled jawline you have always been dreamed of. Smiling. Smiling has many benefits and one of them is able to tone up your facial muscles. Smiling extends your cheekbones, they exercising them and also works the muscle in your face. Smiling is also known to be a great mood enhancer, so try it sometimes. Here is another fun way to naturally get a tighter jawline and cheekbones. Don't just do it when a camera is pointed at you. Make a fish face. Hold it in the face for 5 to 8 seconds and then repeat. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The body's toxin retention is also reflected on your face. Not only does water prevent dehydration, but it also flushes out toxins from your body. A regular flush of your body eliminating unhealthy toxins means a more youthful appearance and a more toned face. It is not a joke. Chewing gum is the easiest way to exercise your facial muscles. It involves a lot of jaw movements, which will help sharpen the area. Besides, it's fun and doesn't take any extra efforts. For the better jawlines, you can also try clenching your jaws for 10 seconds and release it. You should feel some discomfort and a little burn. Do this a few times, 10 to 15 repetitions to see your face tones up. Salt, when consumed in abundance, can affect the skin and promotes bloating. So try and avoid too much salt in your food. Keep munching on salted snacks and junk foods through. At least 8 hours sleep is a must if you want a healthy body. Not getting enough sleep will leave you tired and make your face look bloated.